Hold your nerve. Rajapaksa at the toss said it's a final, so we want to back first and get the runs on the board. Charita Salanka's got the ball in hand. He started proceedings yesterday when they had to bounce back. It's what opened the game up. Little quicker. Hit hard. Karunaratne. Oh dear, he does well to get to it. But the ball bounces over. First 4 of the game. That'll be 4. He got it in the gap. Slightly short and quickly on the back foot. Avishka Fernando. 10 wins.
Dot deliveries on the trot.
Boom! 6! There we go. This time he gets it. Preservatory. That's what POTV and their Green Initiative are about. Collaboration with Planet Protectors. 4s and 6s. They will try to preserve a tree, but what a shot this was.
You had a feeling it's coming.
Oh, he's picked that up. Deep mid-wicket, waits. It's Rogers. Takes it. A meter in from the boundary line. Avishka Fernando didn't get close enough to that one.
He was better served jumping out of the crease and looked to hit the ball straight. I think the spinner got extra bounce on that occasion. Couldn't quite get into the pitch of the ball. Thick outside edge and an easy catch.
Oh, boys, that's going to be costly. 5 of them.
Oh, yes. He always plays some sort of a hand. Charita Salanka, whether with bat or with ball.
Was carved enough it. Was half century in the last game. That was the arm delivery, skidding it through, and nowhere near to be playing that stroke as he didn't have a good pace there, Nafe. Charita Salanka, what a big wicket.
Give Javin. Now. Fell short and the misfield. This will run away for 4. Mishara will take them, so will Jaffna. Brilliant from Galle. The power play is done and Jaffna are 41 for 2. That's gone fine and away. Goes over extra cover. That is, oh!
Good shot by Kavit. Had the right option to go extra. Little later, take a look at that for a catch. Judge it for perfect.
They think it's out. Yes, so does the umpire. Charita Salanka is on fire with the ball.
Yes, satisfied. No need to check the ultra edge. Ball tracker is coming. Original decision is out. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wicket is hitting. Go back to on-field umpire Wayne, please. Wayne, you can stay with your original out decision. We have
Right,
camera.
that's the confirmation. That looked plump.
Want to encourage that.
I wish you the best. Also for the finals. Thank you, gentlemen. Back to the comps.
Well, wicket number 5.
The wheels are coming off here for Jaffna. Looking to go down the ground, had no connection out of the middle. It's the edge of the bat. This is well judged under the lights. Very well judged catch. Kalupahana.
Swung away on the leg side and they find a boundary after 3 overs. The reverse and they will get a boundary. Well, it's been an over that they have been hoping to have. Hit it hard and flat and 4. 16 off the over.
You miss out on balls that you would ordinarily hit away for 4. and out. That's the big one. That's the one goal we're looking for. It's Mishara. Took the pace off. The line was slightly closer to the batter, and that's why there was a contact. And like you suggested, all-rounder, he shone with the bat, not so much with the ball. Yeah, he has really struggled with the ball. But tonight, it's all about the bowlers and Wickramasinghe.
Gone, taken this time. Malinga.
Well, he didn't just try to guide it, he gave catching practice here. Didn't have to move an inch, Columbage. That is poor. Extremely poor.
Oh, they've gone up, they've gone up. He doesn't wait for the umpire. That's wicket number 8. They're doing it easy, the Gallants. They've saved the best for last.
Gets an edge on it, and now this another one. Just looking to guide it again, manages to guide it straight into the hands of Sam Harper. He will accept that gleefully.
That's how hard it's been. Swings hard. It's 6. With every 4 and 6. Well, we need more. Wickramasinghe delivers.
Tall man, big man, stands and delivers on this one. Goes a long way down the ground, 74 meters on that.
Oh, he gets it, but cannot get it past Asalanka.
They've fallen apart. Again, the angle, wide of Wickramasinghe, and he has had to reach for this. Just managing the toe end of the bat, and a really good catch. Cannot keep that man out of the action today, Asalanka. 2 dots in the final over. Tells a story. And that's going to be the stump out.
Too easy. Couple of deliveries very wide, one at the stumps. And oh yeah. The Kings in shock. Consider the number of
Under 7. Let's see how he bowls. Yeah. Slower. And flat batted for 4. Hasn't really been successful. Hit hard. And they managed to... He hadn't. For a moment I thought he managed to pull it in. Hit hard. In the gap. 4. He's striking them well.
Kalupahana and Rogers. For handling the pressure, that one. That is in the air, and Villalage takes it.
the batters are off their timing. And just as we were praising this partnership, as many have done a miss hit, Villalage had work to do. Ball! Kalupana's gone!
Kept on flighting the ball, and this time around, ball with the arm.
That's going to be 4. That's a great way to start the over as well, and it's going to continue to get them closer to the win. Gallants continuing to dominate this contest. Thick edge. Thick outside edge. That's going to be wicket number 5.
Question, was this necessary? The game was in the bag, and all of a sudden, panic button press for the Gallants as Zahul.
Incense this win for Galle. Swept, gets it fine, it's going to run away. And despite the effort from Lizard Williams, it will find the boundary. Does really well. Does really, really well to get this to the boundary. That's going to be 4 runs. Sliced away, it's going to go all the way, and that is going to be the end of the game. The Gallants have won this contest. They have won the 6th edition of the Lanka Premier League.
Been by the players, the coaching staff, they did well in the draft, picked some wonderful players, signed some Amazing overseas players as well. Overall, the side having scoring tons of runs. And for me, the All Gallants are certainly the deserved winners of the Lankan Premier League 2026 Season 6.
They certainly started in good fashion. 6th edition, they were in the opener of this edition. They came out on top of that contest. And apart from a few little blips along the way, they really have been very clinical.